3, 2, 1.
Hey, today I'm gonna talk about creativity. Next points come from my experience as a photographer, videographer and editor. Let's start. Creativity is just connecting things, said Steve Jobs. To be more specific, it's connecting things in a new way. We used to think creatively as a kid. By that time, we don't care much about rules and standards as we do now. We use bold colors to paint. We do it so confidently. After all, how bad it could be to paint the sky pink? Alright, but how can we get new ideas to be more creative? If you are a photographer or videographer, you know sometimes your mind could be blocked. So I'm gonna tell you my best 2 points to improve your creativity. Mental barriers. One of the reasons we failed to get new ideas is that we tend to think linearly, in which case we leave out other possibilities. So one problem leads to only one solution. For example, you are a photographer and you are not recording videos when your camera can do it. Trust me that your creativity is not processing at all, because technically your camera offers to you the possibility to make pictures and video, but you are only taking pictures. That means you are not gaining new skills and your creativity is keeping the same. Let's do one step more in this point. In photography, you need everything to fall in place for only a fraction of a second, or possibly several seconds in case of long exposures, in order to capture a compelling storytelling image. But in videography, you have the flexibility to tell a story over time, but the entire sequence needs to be fluid, well composed and compelling. Lighting, composition, stabilization, audio needs have to be considered on a second by second basis as the camera continues to record. Those skills will improve your creativity in photography and videography. Honestly, videography changed my creativity. Create your own films will change your vision and it will improve your creativity. Investment in travel is an investment in yourself. Travel is good for many things. You are helping to strengthen the neurons that like to make connections, solve problems, and create new ideas. When I visit a new place, personally, I feel something new born inside of me. That means creativity. I have too many ideas after traveling. When I'm back to my studio, definitely it's the most special moment to be creative. I hope you find these points useful. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to smash the like button and I will see you in the next one.